Project topic is voice based emotion recognition and lie detection. And the topic for discussion are introduction, abstract, existing system, drawbacks of existing system, problem statement, proposed model, advantages of proposed model, design, current status, and conclusion. Speech emotion recognition is a task of recognizing the emotional aspect of speech irrespective of the semantic context. While humans can efficiently perform this task as a natural part of speech communication, the ability to conduct it automatically using programmable devices is still an ongoing subject of research. Studies of automatic emotion recognition systems aim to create efficient, real time methods of detecting the emotions of mobile phone users, call centers, operators, and customers, car drivers, pilots, and many other human machine communication users. Adding emotions to machine has been recognized as a critical factor in making machines appear and act in a human like manner.
Abstract: An elegant solution bypassing the problem of an optimal feature selection has been given by the advent of deep neural network using MLP classifiers. The idea is to use an end-to-end network that takes raw speech data as an input and generates a class label as an output. There is no need to compute handcrafted features nor to determine which parameters are optimal from the classification perspective. It is all done by the network itself. The network parameters are optimized during the training procedure to act as a feature, efficiently dividing the data into the desired categories. This otherwise very convenient solution comes at the price of much larger requirements for labeled data samples compared to conventional classification methods.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aishat Shanaye from ESSEC CSA. Here's the existing model of our project. Nowadays, facial emotion recognition is familiar, and another existing system is real-time face emotion recognition during conversation that is also widely used.
Disadvantages of existing model: sensitive to light and surrounding, not works in the case of identical twins. Problem statement: attention to speaker attitudes and emotion, often in the interest to increase the acceptability of speech technology for human users. Speech signals give information about speakers' emotions, personalities, attitude, feelings, level of stress, and current mental states. Human to human communication is virtually possible, but machines cannot understand the human emotions or generate the emotional responses.
Proposed model. The idea behind the project is to build a machine learning model that could detect emotions from the speech we have with each other all the time. To develop and test new efficient feature extraction methods for an automatic recognition and classification of stress and emotion in a speech. The idea is to collect speech signal and convert it into corresponding deep neural network and to identify the respective emotion based on the neural network. An emotion detector that will gauge your emotions and in the future recommend you different things based on your mood, and also we can detect lies and truthiness from the speech in accordance with the change in their voice tone. This can be used by multiple industries to offer different services like marketing companies suggesting you to buy products based on your emotions, Automotive industry can detect the person's emotions and adjust the speed of autonomous car as required to avoid any collisions, and in the field of lie detection, etc.
Advantages of proposed model. We can often detect speaker's emotion even if we cannot understand the language. And speech is easy to record even under extreme environmental condition. That is, irrespective of the high temperature or high humidity and the bright light, we can easily record our speech. And speech requires cheap, durable, and the maintenance-free sensors. Marketing companies suggesting you to buy product based on your emotions. And next is the automotive industry can detect the person's emotions and adjust the speed of autonomous cars as required to avoid any collisions. And it is also used for the lie detection. And this can be also used in the field of artificial intelligence in order to recognize the human emotions for robot.
Model description. Since the project is a classification problem, we use here multi-layer perceptron as the classification neural network, and it seems to be the obvious choice. Unlike other classifier algorithms, multi-layer perceptron classifier relies on an underlying neural network to perform the task of classification.
And the feature extractions. The features that are extracted from voice in our projects are MEL frequency capstone and chroma. Mm, MEL representation of the short-term power spectrum of sound that is based on a linear cosine transform of a log power spectrum on a nonlinear MEL scale of frequency. Mm. MEL scale is for pitches having different coefficients or values. Substrum is a Fourier transform, and uh, its coefficients are efficient because of their faster extraction technique. And the next one is chroma. Chroma is related to different pitch classes, can be categorized into 12 classes. Its main property is they capture harmonic and melodic characteristics in speech.
Next is the literature review. Emotion recognition and its applications. This paper aims at illustrating diversity of possible emotion recognition and its application. Emotion plays a significant role in daily interpersonal human interactions, and this is essentially neurational as well as intelligent decisions. It helps us to match and understand the feelings of others by conveying our feelings and giving feedback to others through voice or through facial expressions. Emotion detection has become one of the biggest marketing strategy in which more of the consumer plays an important role. So to detect the current emotion of a person and suggest them the apt product or help him accordingly will increase the demand of the product of the company. Humans have the natural ability to use all their available senses for maximum awareness of the received messages. The emotional detection is natural for humans, but it is very difficult task for machines. Detecting emotion is one of the most important marketing strategy in today's world. This aims at illustrating diversity of possible emotion recognition in application. The main objective of this paper is to propose real-time implementation of emotion recognition system. It provides concise review of affect recognition methods based on different inputs such as biometrics, a video channel, behavioral data. And this topic discusses various methods of recognition speech and applications of emotion recognition in real world and importance of emotion recognition in daily life.
End-to-end deep neural network for automatic speech recognition. The system implemented in this is an end-to-end deep learning system that utilizes the MEL filter bank features to directly output the spoken phonics without using the HMM model for decoding. The system will comprise of two variants of neural network for the phoneme recognition. The method used is convolutional for frame level classification and recurrent architecture with a CTC loss for decoding the frames into a sequence of phonemes. The dataset used here is TIMIT dataset. Before the emergence of deep learning, other classification algorithms such as HMM, MFCCs were used. The approaches used in this deep neural network is frame-wise classification with CNN, where a classifier is trained that can independently predict each frame separated by 10 millisecond interval. The MEL log filter bank feature is used as an input. Second approach used is decoding with CTC network where the HMM is replaced. Using CTC as the loss function, CTC along with the RNN method is extended. The dataset used here is TIMIT. It comprises of 630 speakers with 6,300 utterances. The CNN model is implemented using Caffe.
Next is speech emotion recognition using deep neural network and extreme learning machine. Here, this project utilizes deep neural network to extract high-level features from raw data and show that they are effectively for speech emotion recognition. Here, it first produces an emotion state probability distribution for each speech segment using DNNs and then construct utterance level features from segment level probability distributions. And these utterance level features are then fed into an extreme learning machine, which is a special and simple and efficient single hidden layer neural network to identify the utterance level emotions. And here, the deep neural network is used. The deep neural network is a feed-forward neural network that has more than one hidden layers between its inputs and the output. And it is also capable of learning high-level representations from the raw features and effectively classifying the data.
Multimodal emotion recognition in response to videos. It is a user independent emotion recognition method with the goal of recovering effective tags for any videos using EEG, pupillary response, and gaze distance. First, we have to select video clips with the extrinsic emotional content from movies and other online resources. Then, EEG responses and eye gaze data were recorded from participants while watching emotional video clips. Based on these responses, we can classify three classes for each dimensions. The arousal classes were calm, medium aroused, and activated, whereas the valence classes were unpleasant, neutral, and pleasant. So far, the ground truth was defined based on the median arousal and valence scores given to clips in a preliminary study using an online questionnaire. In this method shows the performance of an inter-participant emotion recognition tagging approach using participants' EEG signals, gaze distance, and pupillary response as effective feedbacks. Also possible to design an accurate and user-independent classification protocol to recognize emotions in response to videos. And here is the references of our project.
This is the model description of our project. Here, this is the training phase and this is the testing phase. Dataset we are providing is Ravdas dataset, which consists of 1,500 files from 24 actors with different emotion speech. First step is taking input from the Ravdas dataset and masking and cleaning of speech signals, then feature extraction of each and every speech signals from this dataset and fed into clean speech signal folder. And then each signal that cleaned is been fed into MLP classifier for training. And after that, real-time speech recording is done for human speech as taken to be input, and masking and cleaning of recorded audio signal. Then this signal is cleaned and sampling rate is down, and then this is fed in. Then this is fed for feature extraction method, and features are extracted, and then this speech is given to trained multi-layer perceptron classifier. From that, we can get emotion and probability scores for this. Sorry, emotion prediction and probability scores for this speech. This is real-time speech recording system.
ഹലോ അൻഷിഫ, സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് വല്ലതും ഉണ്ടോ?